Welcome to the project demonstration of smart transformer theft protection and maintenance system. So to protect and maintain the transformer, we are using mainly 4 sensors in our project. One is oil temperature monitoring continuously with help of this temperature sensor, and oil level monitoring with help of this ultrasonic sensor. So we are representing this for oil level indication, and intruder alerts with help of this IR sensor. Whenever we place the transformer in a secure area, in order to protect from the thieves, we are going to place this intruder detection sensor. Whenever person come in front of the sensor in a restricted area, then the system will detect the intruder. And also if a person trying to enter from another location and trying to take off this transformer, then this particular reed switch, means nothing but the magnetic switch, will detect the movement of this transformer. So in these 4 cases, the system continuously provide the alerts through this audible alert to the buzzer, and showing a status on the 16:2 LCD screen, and also sending message alerts to the registered phone number. Message open చేసాము. Okay, and this is a continuous process of the system. So to achieve these sections, we are making use of a PIC microcontroller, which is main brain of our system. So which is taking care of reading the sensors and sending message alerts and provide the audible alert through the buzzer. And the next showing the data display alerts on this LCD screen continuously. So continuously system will display the temperature of the so-called oil, and oil level is continuously monitored by this ultrasonic sensor. So this will be displayed on the LCD screen. Coming to the components, so mainly we are providing 230 volts AC inputs to the system, which is parallelly given as input to this transformer, which is directly connected to this load kind of presentation. And this is a regulated power supply board, which will take 230 volts AC input and provide us the 5 volts DC output, as it has the 4 stages. One is the transformation, rectification, filtration, regulation. Transformation to step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts of AC, rectification to convert the AC to pulsating DC, filtration to remove the pulses and provide us the constant DC of 12 volts, and regulation to make the 12 volts DC as a 5 volts regulated DC, because the 5 volts DC is the operating voltage of our remaining electronic components. So once we provide the 5 volts DC, we are providing that to this breadboard. From there we are going to distributing that 5 volts to the input output modules to the project. And here once we provide the 5 volts DC to this microcontroller motherboard, so it has a reset switch, so which has a key role in our project. And this steel plated one is the crystal oscillator, which is used to provide the 20 megahertz of oscillation frequency to the microcontroller to execute the instructions. And the next, the output module, sir, in our project is LCD display. So this LCD was interfaced to this microcontroller at pin number B2 to B7. At the same time, the output modules of GSM also interfaced to the microcontroller B0, B1, C6, C7 for this SR04 ultrasonic sensor, and A0 for the temperature sensor, A1 for this IR intruder detection sensor, and A2 for this magnetic reed switch sensor. So these are the input output modules, and C4 for this buzzer for the audible alerts. So these are all the main components of our project. So let us see the demonstration. Before demonstration, very important step is, first of all, we need to insert a valid SIM card into the GSM module. So this is a GSM module we are going to use here, SIM1800L. So insert that SIM card in this manner. As I shown, the notch should be top side. Insert that. There is a push to lock and push to unlock. So use a micro SIM card with adapter. Okay, it's push to lock, so that we can see that push to lock and push to unlock. So once we lock that, place everything normal condition for demonstration purpose in order to eliminate the fault alerts. So place the transformer on the sensor and place some object in front of the ultrasonic sensor, which is used to measure the oil levels, and temperature is normal and intruder detection normal. So when we on the kit, the only one LED should on this IR sensor. The 2 LEDs continuously on without any object in front of that. Then there is indication of external sunlight fall on this one IR sensor, or else these 2 LEDs aligned unparalleled. So need to check that properly. So after all these settings successfully done, on the power supply, and as I said, press and hold the reset switch. So this one, press and hold the reset switch till the LED blinking on this GSM module blinks slowly. Now it is blinking very fast at a duration of 1 second. So now it's trying to get the signal. Right now you can see that the blinking red got slowed down at a duration of 3 seconds. So for the confirmation, you can make a call to the SIM card which you have inserted. You will get the ring as a normal person called. So then you can release the switch. The purpose of this holding reset switch is we need to enable the SIM card signal. Then only we need to allow the microcontroller to communicate with the GSM module. Then only we can get the SMS alerts. Now we can release the switch. Till that, press and hold the switch. And we can see level is 50%, oil level, temperature is 32.7 degrees, everything is normal. So let us check with the intruder. So whenever intruder detected, then intruder alerts and system is providing the buzzer till the message sent. Once the message sent successfully, the buzzer will be off. Right, so we received the message of intruder alerts. And the next, temperature. If the oil temperature increases abnormal, you can see temperature increase. When it crosses 40 degrees centigrade, in real time it's going to be the 80 or 120 degrees. But for demonstration purpose, we kept the limit as 40 degrees centigrade. So we received the high temperature message alert. So these messages can be received from anywhere in the world. And the next is if anyone entered this region of the secure place, and when you grab this transformer, then the lock alerts means the transformer got unlocked from the location. And again same message alerts to the registered phone number. And this final thing is oil level. So you can just decreasing that. So when it is below 10%, then low oil level. Right, okay. So in this manner, which only thing is main thing, we need to maintain SMS balance in this GSM module, and we need to use only Airtel, VI or BSNL other than the Jio SIM card, as Jio is a LTE, not any 4G or 2G SIM card. So we need to use any one of them other than the Jio SIM card. So this is all about the project execution, right? And all the components.